Hello and welcome. This is a sound called How to Make Butter Eggs and Boursin Wake Up Wrap. First thing you gotta do is put the butter into the pan. Turn it on, turn it, and put 2 rings. And then you crack the egg into this pan, put the eggs on the compost, crack the other egg, and crack it into this pan and put the eggshell into the compost so it stays clean. I'm gonna wash my hands. Oops, sorry about that, folks. I hope you enjoy this video. And it's gonna take time to make the wraps, or the wrap. And here you go. You cover it, and after that you open up this pita bread into, peel it, then after that open up this Boursin Cracked Black Pepper. Just wanted you to know this is a flavor of a put this one on here. Then you spread the cracked pepper Boursin, and after you're done with it, you fold it up and put this in the container. Okay. And then after that, go ahead I just gotta dry my hands. Now what we're gonna do is check the eggs. See, they're not ready yet. Just gotta wait for it. Turn it up a little bit to see if it cooks faster, which are the butter eggs that I consider eggs with butter. eggs. Oh, they're on their way. Just gotta let the yolks cook. The yellow yolks, so they're not as runny. Because if they're all runny, it'll go all over the place. Just gotta make them all perfect. I think we'll leave this just for now, but not stop the recording. Check the eggs. Oh yeah, they look good. Turn it to 3.0. Oh yeah, they're definitely ready. And turn it off. After that, you and voila! Here is your butter eggs, cracked black pepper boursin wake up wrap. Or switch around to butter eggs, cracked butter eggs, Boursin Cracked Black Pepper wake up wrap. Enjoy it and thank you for watching, folks.